In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and extract crucial information from your Zoho Desk dashboard efficiently. Understanding how to view and find essential components like the view ID of tickets will make using Zoho Desk more intuitive and productive in your daily tasks. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're at your dashboard, you'll find various modules available to explore. These modules could include tickets, contacts, solutions, and more, depending on how your Zoho Desk is set up. For this demonstration, let's specifically focus on how you can locate the view ID for a ticket. The view ID is crucial for tasks such as reporting or API integration, so knowing where to find it can streamline several processes. From your Zoho Desk dashboard, go ahead and click on any module you wish to view. For instance, if you're managing customer inquiries or support requests, you'll click on the Tickets module. This will take you to a list of all the tickets. This interface allows you to manage and review your customer interactions, but today we'll focus on understanding how to extract the view ID. Now, pay close attention to the URL on your browser as you navigate through these modules. When you're viewing any particular ticket or list of tickets, the URL at the top of your browser contains a wealth of information. Within this URL, you will be able to spot the view ID. Typically, this is a string of alphanumeric characters that uniquely identifies the view you're currently on. Whether you need this ID for back-end integrations, reporting, or further customizations, this is where you'll find it. One important tip to keep in mind is that navigating through the URLs can often reveal a lot about the underlying structure of your Zoho Desk environment. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to create automated scripts or attempting to understand how different sections are organized. If you're seeking additional information or a broader overview, remember that the official knowledge base of Zoho Desk can be an invaluable resource. It offers detailed documentation and guides on various other features and components that Zoho Desk provides. You can access it anytime to deepen your understanding or troubleshoot any confusion. For more technical or detailed inquiries, such as API documentation, or knowing how Zoho Desk integrates with other tools, consider visiting their official documentation pages. These offer step-by-step insights and can clarify any complex tasks you may encounter. Thank you for following along today. By mastering these simple navigation tips in your Zoho Desk dashboard, you'll find more streamlined ways to handle your customer service and support tasks. Remember that the URL is your friend when hunting for view IDs or understanding your content management structure. Keep exploring, and you'll surely uncover ways to make your workflows more efficient with Zoho Desk.